Hello YouTube. I'm going to do another unboxing. It's not that big an unboxing. It's only a pair of headphones. I bought a new pair of headphones for my new Samsung YP-P2. It's kind of basic. I mean, I'll just show you a pair of my brother's headphones. He's been using these kind of new, the B motor vibes, and he says it's good. I think it's okay, but I've seen reviews saying it's not that. It's okay. It's not too bad. There's nothing too special about it. Anyway, on with my unboxing. Right. Cut the whole box. Put on the side. There's a little receipt. If you can see it's right. Okay. There you go. Those are the headphones. It's a Sennheiser. What does it say? Yeah, there you go. Sennheiser Cx300. Or yeah, there you go. I've heard pretty good reviews on these. They say it's really good, good sounding headphones for the price. I paid only £15 for this, so it's worth about £30. Well, I've seen it for £30. I paid basically half the price for it. I'll just go ahead and unbox this. Yeah, it's a silver color, and headphone size, different kind of what do you call it? What's the word? Buds. Yes, there you go. That's the word. Different buds. I'll just go right in and open this up. Right. Always scissors to the rescue. Come on, open up. There you go. Oh, you need like manual labor this. Right. I am a very patient individual, but this thing is taking the mickey. Oh, come on. Right. Got my scissors in there. Flip neck. Right. Just gonna cut this, try and cut this with my scissors. I do apologize for the time-consuming unboxing for a stupid headphone. I mean, well, the great headphones is just, I'm getting frustrated now. Flip neck. Oh, right, maybe they designed to stay in the box and never be taken out. And yeah, I'm getting frustrated. What I'll do is I'll open it and just kind of just show you what the actual headphone is. I'm just gonna kind of just switch off now.